Yan si Mark, mayaman, nag-withdraw. Scam. Sir, I'm sorry. You're a scanner. Scammer, I mean. You're a scammer. That's a scam. You're using other people's ATM.
I don't think they will accept my... Ayaw tanggapin. Hindi ko pwede yung ano.
Doon na lang sa BPI, Mark. Doon na sa...
Naka-video nga.
I think, ewan ko, Metro Bank kasi siya.
Uy, buti ba yung bago na yan, ano? Yung sa akin yung mga...
Ako, because that's considered like very...
Hindi, iba yung card nyo eh.
Yeah, sorry.
Sa akin pa.
That's a limited edition. The other ones we have. Should be happy. Hindi rin natin na
Doon tayo nga, sabi ko sa'yo, I told you.
ayaw. Bakit ayaw?
Mark Ed. Makisipin nung tao, tinitingnan kasi niya ako, nababalit sa babaeng ko.
Let's say hello to the camera.
Bambi.
Mami, say hello to the video.
Kami na na tayo.
Doon, no? Do we have money to pay? Actually, Mark will be trading us this morning.
I have money to pay for my own food.
Thank you. But let me just remind you, we wouldn't be here if not of your invitation. So the one who has invited us should pay.
Where's the invitation?
I'm sorry. It's a verbal
No,
invitation.
not good enough. It has to be a written document, right?
Don't you know that I will make a law in order to
I think we should go down to it.
to legalize the verbal authorization. I thought you're gonna withdraw first. There, it's near. So why don't you withdraw first? Come on.
Come on.
Pinagalitan.
Pinapagalitan.
You know, I'm very hungry and you need money to feed me because I will be eating a lot.
We need some donations.
Wow. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask for your autograph? Hey! Bili mo ako na to. Joke. Bili mo. Buy mo to.